Hello guys, this is Gilles from SSW, and today I wanted to talk about a super nice feature we created for EasyLeave, which is part of SSW TimePro application, and it's related to managing your public holidays leave. Let's assume you're a manager who is in charge of managing public holidays leave for your company. What is the pain here? The pain is, as a manager, you will have to most likely create a public holidays leave, a CRM appointment, an appointment in the calendar or a timesheet for each employee and each public holiday, which can be very time consuming and difficult to manage. But at SSW we found a solution that can do that for you automatically, and let me show you how it looks like. Let's jump on my SSW TimePro application. Here we are on my EasyLeave dashboard, which is empty right now. You can easily add some leave by clicking on the Add Leave button here, but this is another topic. Right now, let's focus on creating or managing public holidays leave. Let's click on the Admin button at the top, click on EasyLeave, and you will land on the EasyLeave settings page. Let's click on the Leave Groups tab, and as you can see, I already have two groups on my dashboard. But what is the purpose of those groups? Let's assume your company has many offices all around the world. It can be very difficult to manage public holidays all around the world because they are different for each country. You can easily create some groups and add some employees to each group and link those groups to some public holidays. And this is the purpose of those groups. For instance, my SSW USA group contains one employee, and that group will be linked to some USA public holidays. My SSW France group, I believe, will be linked to some French public holidays. But what is this email address? This email address is a Microsoft Entra email address. Sorry, Microsoft Entra group email address. And that group contains all my French employees. So writing that email address is kind of the same of writing all the email addresses of my French employees in that group. What is the rest of the column? Created by, last updated, and last sync are pretty common. We will talk about syncing in a few seconds. If you're hovering a row, you will have three options: syncing, editing, or deleting the group. But you can also create a group by clicking on that red button here. It's pretty simple. Just give it a name and add some employee email address or Microsoft Entra Group email address and click on Create Group. But what I want now is creating some public holidays and associate them to one of my group, for example, my SSW USA group. To do that, click on Public Holidays tab, and as you can see, I already have two public holidays for my SSW France group. Let's change the view. Let's see if my SSW USA group contains any public holidays, which is not. But you can easily add some public holiday by clicking on that red button here, give it a name, and choose a date. Link this public holiday to a public holiday group. As you can see, I can link this public holiday to multiple groups. It can be very interesting if you are adding a worldwide public holiday like Christmas. Let's leave it like that for now. Let's add my public holiday. As you can see, if I'm hovering the row, I can also edit or delete my public holiday. But what I want now is come back to my Leave Groups tab and hit the Sync button. What I'm doing now is for that USA group which contains that employee, my application will automatically creating a public holiday leave, a timesheet, a CRM appointment, and a calendar appointment for all my employees, which is only me for now, and for each public holiday, which is only the Labor Day for now. Alright, it has been synced. Now let's check if everything is in order. Sorry. Let's jump on my CRM and let's filter my appointments by Labor Day appointments. I already created that filter for you. So here it is. I found my public holiday Labor Day for the 1st of September. Let's see the details. I'm required. I'm also the organizer. The subject seems alright. The date seems alright also. It's an all-day event, and the description seems okay as well, Labor Day. Awesome. Now let's check if the appointment has been set up for me on my Outlook calendar. Let's go on September, and here it is. I've got an appointment for the 1st of September. Let's open it and see the details. And here I am as an attendee for the 1st of September. Awesome. Now let's come back to my EasyLeave dashboard and see if my public holiday has been set up for me. And here it is. One public holiday has been set up for me for the 1st of September and approved. Awesome. Finally, let's check if my timesheet has been set up for me. Let's go to my timesheet dashboard. Let's go on September. And I can see there is something on the 1st of September. Let's click on it. And the non-working day automatically created by EasyLeave, the Labor Day. That's perfect. There is something else I wanted to show you. Let's go back to the Leave Groups tab, and let's now assume that a new employee just came up at the France group, for example, the French offices. You can easily sync all the things for him just by adding him to the Microsoft Entra group and hit the sync button, and the application will do the rest. But if you want to add him manually, you just have to edit a group, enter his email address, and update the group. Now let's wrap up that video. You're a manager who is in charge of managing public holidays leave for your company. If you are using EasyLeave, it's very easy and quick. Just set up leave groups, add some public holidays and link them to those groups, and press the sync button, and voila. If you get any question, feel free to go to ssw.com.au, fill the contact form, and we will respond to you as soon as we can. It was Gilles from SSW. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!